my overall like, outlook is, just so much better now that I'm able to do, you know, normal daily activities and basically anything I want now without pain. I don't have the mental fatigue that comes with dealing with pain every day. And so it's just, yeah, it's made me like a better person, honestly, like a better like boyfriend, you know, just a better colleague, able to do better work, at work. And yeah, just overall, it's been, yeah, great. Yeah, the evaluation was probably better than anything that like anyone could have done in person, honestly. Um, it was, yeah, probably more thorough than, any test you'd get like at the doctor's office or anything like that. So if you have any hesitation about that, I wouldn't let that stop you from trying it out. Um, yeah, I mean, the way my body feels, yeah, before and after, I did the programming for about a year and a half is like night and day. I just, yeah, feel so much better. And I would encourage, yeah, anyone to try it out. And I have recommended it to my friends and family, and two of them are actively working with you guys. So yeah, I definitely believe in it, and would advise anyone who's thinking about doing it to try it out.